Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare the basic 3D model in CREO software. So I choose a drawing to create the 3D model. You can see the base is 60 plus 30 90 mm and 20 plus 30 50 mm. Go to software, click new, select part, solid, use default template, unselect that, give the file name, okay space and all it. Select the template here, MMNS for solid ABS, okay. Select the any one of plane, sketch view, select the center rectangle, give the dimension 90 50, and also here one cutout is there. Select line, okay, delete this one, give the dimension 20 mm, this is 30 mm, delete segment, click OK, select extrude up to 10 mm, okay. You can see the thickness is 10 mm. Hide the planes and also go to view, select shaded with edges, again select surface, sketch. Here you can see height is 20 plus 20 40 minus 10 mm, and this is 20 mm extrude is there. Select corner rectangle, give the dimension 20, okay. Select extrude up to 30 mm, click OK. Here you can see length is 40 and height is 20 mm extrude is there. Select the surface, sketch, again select the corner rectangle, give the dimension 40 and this is 20. Click OK, select extrude again up to 30 mm, 20 mm, click OK. So all the extruded part is done. Now I am going to remove material. Here you can see 20 by 20 cutout is there. Select this surface, sketch view, select corner rectangle, give the dimension 20 by 20, click OK, extrude, remove material, reverse, through hole, okay. Control S, save. So here paste your location. Okay. So and also you can give some color here. Go to view, select the entire body, can choose any one color. Okay, this is today's session, friends. If you like this video, please do my subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.